Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and once again I am back with a new Excel function that is called a variance. Variance function in Excel is being used to calculate the variance of a sample of number. Variance measures the dispersion of a data points around the mean. So let's learn how VAR function works. So its syntax is like VAR equals to VAR. VAR stands for a variance. So VAR, and now it's asked to select the range. So we select the range and close the bracket and hit the enter and get the answer as a variance. The 526.47619 is the variance. So it's important to note that the VAR function calculate the sample variance. If you want to calculate the population variance, you should use the VARP function. Like if you want to check VARP function, you can see here VARP, and the similar like select the range and close the bracket and hit the enter and get the answer is the VARP. It's a in this basis you can use VAR function and VARP function. Hope you guys enjoyed this learning and enjoy this video. Thank you for learning, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.